Okay, so wheels are on. Wasn't too bad. All I did was tilt the frame back. First of all to the rear, put on these front ones while it was tilted back 45 degrees. Then did the reverse with that for the rear ones. I've left the rollers down so I can, as you can see, easily move it around with very little movement, or very little effort I should say. And then what you do is once you have it where you want it and you want to level it, if you look down at the wheels you can just make out that red disc. It's about there. See that red disc? And you just adjust that, lower the rubber feet, and that raises the rollers then off the ground so it sits on the feet and you should be able to level it perfectly. So once everything's assembled, I'll get a spirit level and level the frame. But for now, just so I can spin this thing around and get to every angle I need to while I'm assembling it, I'll leave it on the casters. That wasn't too bad.